Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining this session on the drone. This is in continuation with earlier discussion which I had on drone. And as part of this drone center of excellence, establishing a drone center of excellence in India, especially within government, academia, or industry partnerships, requires a structured consultant led approach focused on strategy, then technology, policy, and ecosystem development. Drone Center of Excellence consists of this a no a consultant led style approach for setting up drone center of excellence. So what all the steps to be followed as part of this will be going in detail. Well, first of all, is vision. What is the vision and objective defining for the drone? Deliverables. What are the deliverables required? What is the vision document? Creating a vision document and use case strategy, which is aligned with traditional missions. Example: Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India, Digital India. Then, as part of this, identifying priority sectors, agriculture, defense, disaster management, smarter cities, logistic, etc. So these are the areas where this drone can be used. Define center of excellence core role where R&D will be done, skills, policy will be made, then pilot testing, and drone as a service, incubation, etc. As part of next step, um, following vision and objective definition, stakeholders mapping and governance holders, governance model, deliverables as part of this governance framework to be created, identify key stakeholders which will be part of the governance and government MOCA, MOD, MOPR, Ministry of Relationship Skills India, Starter IT departments are included in this. Then industry perspective, drone manufacturers, drone as a service firms, academia, IITs, NITs, private universities, set up an advisory board and execution committee. Define public private partnership PPP model if applicable. Then, as part of infrastructure capabilities blueprints, deliverables, tech and infra requirement documents, location selection, and preferably near tech parks, then universities or tester zones. Infrastructure planning, indoor door, drone lab, BVLOS, test range GIS labs as command center, AIML and data analytics, integration stack, select simulation software, example UGCS, DJI, Terra, Pix4, and the cloud platform AWS, Azure strategy. Typically use AWS, Azure for drone cloud providers. Then comes the program design and service offerings. As part of this deliverables, Center of Excellence program charter is created. Then core programs, out of which are drone design and prototyping, then pilot training and licensing, DGCA approved, Then drone as a service startup incubation, policies, sandbox, and regulatory compliance, service lines out of which are R&D as a service, pilot zone leasing, in industry academia projects, drone data as a service, then skill development and certification, uh, deliverables, skills roadmap plus curriculum, partners with Skill India, NSDC, AICTE, design certified drone pilot programs, train in navigation and payload handling, aerial data analytics, regulatory and airspace knowledge, drone maintaining and manufacturing. Then comes partnership and ecosystem development. And as a next step from the skill deployment and certification, having partnership on with the ecosystem deliverables. Ministry of a memorandum is and the partnership docket, identifying and skill MOU with drone manufacturers, Garuda, India Forge, DJI, India, GIS data partners, Map My India, ESRI, Search ORG, ISRO Drone DST, VC and VC versus CSR funds for startup project support. Then comes as part of pilot project and KPIs. Uh, Deliverables impact plan with milestones, launch pilot project in 2 3 focus areas. Example: land mapping, crop spraying, city surveillance. Define measurable KPIs: number of trained pilots, number of startup incubated, areas, acres surveyed on mapped, then revenue from services. So these are the pilot project with KPIs. Then compatible and risk managed deliverables, compliance and legal risk register align with DGCA's Digital Sky framework, implement NPNT, no permission, no takeoff protocols, ensure data protection, align with India's DP Act, access airspace risk insurance and liability. Then comes the communication and outreach plan. Deliverables, branding and outreach strategy, launch brand identify for the COE Center of Excellence, host drone hackathons, demo days, exhibitions, develop regional awareness, especially in agriculture and rural tech use. Then comes sustainability and scalable plan. Deliverables over here is 3 years roadmap, revenue model, government, private, public partnership, service fees. Then explore international collaboration, ITU, then World Bank, ICAO, plan for scaling to multiple regions or zones. So that's about the various steps which to be followed as part of establishing center of excellence. So ensuring the vision and objective definition is clear, stakeholders mapping and governance model is defined, is clear, then infrastructure and capability blueprint is established or blueprint is published, then program design and service offerings is clear, and skill development certifications, then partnership and ecosystem development, pilot project and KPIs are defined, compliance risk management, communication and outreach plan, sustainability and scalability plan. So that's what I thought of discussing in detail about the steps to be followed to establish center of excellence. Thanks for joining this session. Thank you.